This video explains how to translate Experience Cloud using the Simple Translate platform instead of manual translation. We are in Experience Builder in Salesforce. Navigate to Settings, then click Languages to configure multilingual support. Click Edit Languages to add your target site languages. Move available languages to the Site Languages column. Click Export Content to generate XML or XLIFF file based on your site languages. Select the languages you want and move them to the right box. Click Export to generate XML or XLIFF file you can send to translators. Inside the Experience Cloud Translation dashboard in SimpleTranslate, you can see all your uploaded Experience Cloud files in one centralized location. You can import new files, edit existing translations, or remove files when needed. Everything is designed to make managing Experience Cloud translations simple and efficient. Import your XLIFF or XML file that you got from Salesforce. Select your file or drag and drop it here to start the upload. Choose an environment name so this file routes to the right Experience Cloud setup. Click Upload to bring the file into Experience Cloud for translation processing. Once the upload is complete, all metadata is automatically imported into the SimpleTranslate platform. Open the newly uploaded file to review and work with its metadata strings. This is the main metadata translator dashboard. All uploaded metadata appears here and is ready for translation. Select your translation engine and target language. You can start a new translation job or open an existing one. For bulk translation, select all metadata. Click Translate to generate translations for the selected metadata in your chosen languages. Choose Export Translation File to download the translated metadata for handoff or re-import in Salesforce. You have two options. Export the entire file, which includes all metadata. Export only the selected metadata for a partial file download. Now we are back in Salesforce Experience Cloud Site Builder. To upload the translated file, go to Settings and select Languages. Then click Import Translated Content to upload your translated XLIFF or XML file. Once the import is complete, the new language is instantly synced across your site. Now you can see that site components are translated to target language after selecting that language from top right corner.